Wait, Jimmy. People on YouTube and Instagram say that programmers will soon be replaced by AI and find themselves at McDonald's. Well, you're not entirely wrong. Hey everyone, I'm Jimmy Lim, your computer science friend. This is the first video on the Java language series. My course will be based on the College Board's AP Computer Science curriculum for the first 10 units. However, this course will surely give you a founding idea of Java language. So you're on the right video even if you just want to learn how to code with Java. Now, let's get into the business. Today's topic goes like this. Why programming? Why Java? To start, let's talk about what programming is. Programming is the process of humans communicating with computers to make them perform desired tasks. Like human workers, computers have their own way of communicating. This computer language comprises ones and zeros, basically the binary number. However, since it's difficult for us to write instructions in a language nobody understands but computers, we instead ask our translator, the compiler, to translate intuitive coding language into computer language. Intuitive, though, not super easy to learn. So, why do you have to learn coding at all? First, programming is a crucial skill highly demanded by companies like Google and Amazon. In fact, software developers who mastered programming earned a median salary of $130,000 with a projected employment growth of a staggering 25% as of 2023, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Wait, Jimmy. People on YouTube and Instagram say that programmers will soon be replaced by AI and find themselves at McDonald's. Well, you're not entirely wrong. But programming is still a relevant life skill if you are to choose among other subjects. Because besides increasing your job opportunities, programming also teaches you loads of algorithms that will make your lives easier. For more details, I highly recommend you look into the book Algorithms to Live By: The Computer Science of Human Decision by Brian Christian and Tom Griffiths. Now, let's talk about what Java is and why we should learn it. Java is an object-oriented and class-based coding language owned and distributed by Oracle. It is almost the most popular coding languages used in Android applications and many websites. Moreover, Java shares similar functions with many other coding languages, including Python and C++. Great, let's stop chatting here and keep our fingers busy with the coding practice. There are many ways you can try out your own Java code, but I don't expect you to download and set up packages like Eclipse, which will take you about an hour. Instead, find any free Java compiler online and store your codes in Google Docs. Or you can take a step forward and download the BlueJ, a free Java development environment designed for beginners. I'll link BlueJ's download guide and links to some online compilers to my video descriptions. I'll use the BlueJ for this practice because it's handy for recording my track. On the screen, the left side is where you write the code, and the right, the console, is where the output is shown. Right now, there are 5 hello worlds printed out just to show that it works in this way. On the left side of the coding space, there are numbers that indicate the line number. On BlueJ, you can find this feature on the preference page. In Option, and you just tick the box on the left where it says Display Line Numbers. Before writing some codes, realize that coding languages are called languages because they have their own rules. For now, ignore the part that says class. In Java, your code must have the main method, which indicates the start of the code. The method is a block of codes that defines a particular action. Let's discuss how the method is declared in future videos. Now, how can I print the output Hello World in the console? In Java, the printing of words and numbers is done by the line System.out.print. Ensure every character is the same as the one on the screen. The word surrounded by quotation marks, called string, will be printed as a result. If there's any word outside the quotation mark, it'll cause a compile error. Most importantly, in Java, most lines end with a semicolon. Now, let's see the result of the code. After running the code, the sentence "Hello world" is printed on the console as you want it. If you put any wrong code, it will not run and will return a compile error. For instance, if you capitalize one part of the code, then it says error found in class. If you return it to the correct format, it'll run without any problem. Additionally, you can print multiple words separated by lines by adding ln on the rear side of the System.out.print, like this. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please try out some codes by yourselves, and thank you for watching. Hey guys and girls, please hit that like button before you leave if you liked the video. Also, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these videos. By the way, you can check out some key vocabulary words in the video description. Lastly, your views and lovely comments help me a lot, and I wish you all the best.